Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to send a message to multiple contacts on WhatsApp all at once and without creating a group chat. This is the updated method, so whether you're reaching out to friends, family, or customers, you'll be able to do it quickly and easily. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that everything looks the same as what you see here. Next, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see three small dots. Tap on them. From the menu that appears, choose New Broadcast. This is the feature that lets you send the same message to multiple people privately without putting them into a group. Now, you'll see your contact list. Scroll through and select all the contacts you want to send your message to. You can choose as many as you want. Just keep in mind that everyone you pick has to have your number saved in their contacts for the message to go through. Once you've selected everyone, tap the checkmark icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll now see a new chat window that looks similar to a group chat, but it's actually a broadcast list. Every message you send here will go individually to each person you selected. That means each recipient gets your message privately, as if you sent it only to them. Next, type your message. It can be anything: an update, a reminder, an invitation, or even a promotional offer. Once you're happy with your message, just hit send. And that's it. WhatsApp will deliver your message to all those contacts at once, saving you time and effort. You can reuse the same broadcast list later whenever you need to send out a similar message again. So now you know how to send messages to multiple contacts on WhatsApp easily and efficiently. Give it a try and see how much simpler your communication becomes.